all are doing well today. Before we get started on the recipe, I want to just go over a few things really quick with you. This tofu scramble that I'm going to share with you today was inspired by a YouTuber named Rosa. And I always do my little tweaks with the recipes and make it my own. And that's what you need to do also even with my recipes. You don't have to follow, everything to a T. But anyways, I do want to share a couple things with you with this recipe. First, I use organic tofu in this recipe, and also it's extra firm. And this is the tofu that I use. You want to make sure it is organic and fermented, and because we don't want to put genetically modified GMO food in our system. It is really bad. It messes up our estrogen. And so you just want to really be careful with the soy products out there. And I know this isn't like a meal plan, but I just really wanted to share this recipe with you. And in fact, because I always eat my fruit in the morning, I actually have been eating this for breakfast, and then and I normally eat my breakfast at 12 o'clock. But after I cook my tofu and have my scramble, then I just have a big bowl of mixed berries, blueberries, raspberries, strawberries, blackberries, and I just eat that throughout the day. They are so incredibly nutritious, and they're so great for our endocrine glands. So I hit the berries, and then at night I've been eating my green smoothie. And trust me, I do not like the taste of moringa or spinach in my smoothies. You cannot taste it. It literally tastes like peanut butter and bananas. It is so good. So I know, when I'm putting this moringa and the spinach in there, some of you are probably like, ew, yuck, but you can't taste it, trust me. So that's what I've been doing right now, and then I just have a cup of tea at night, and that's it. So if you want to try that, please let me know and see how you feel. And like I say, just give this a try just for a week and see how you feel. But my next video is going to be on the levels of detoxification, because this is really important and we really need to cover that also. So anyways, I hope you enjoy this recipe, and I love you all. God bless, and I will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.